Hey guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable your Facebook icon on the footer. So the first thing you're going to do when you log in is go to Divi Theme Settings and then click Theme Options. Then you're going to go to Show Facebook Icon and click on the button. Blue means it's enabled, and make sure you save your changes. So we're just going to check the site out. Now keep in mind this is a testing site. So the icon is there, but it does not link back to anything. So let's go back to where we were. Now where it says Facebook profile URL, you will just paste the URL of your Facebook there and then save changes. Now let's go back to our page and reload. Click on the icon. And there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.